Hello, welcome to my little shed. Today I'm going to show you how I managed to repair a leisure battery out of a camper van. It belonged to my friend, but during lockdown he didn't manage to get any charge to it and just left it there. Of course it ran out of any juice, got drained right down. He couldn't charge it up again with his normal battery charger, so I said I'll take it and see what I can do. So I'd just like to explain what I actually did. Right, just got to move the camera now. Okay, this is the battery. It's just a regular 100 amp or 110 amp leisure battery. I wrote that on there when I tested it initially. Basically it's only 56% capacity, so worse than useless. Anyway, what I did, I managed to buy a Chinese 6 amp battery charger with a repair function. Now I've had that operating for a day or so, and it was actually pulsing power into the battery, pulsing a charge, and it's now charged up and it's on full. Just disconnect that now. Should have turned it off at the wall first, but hey ho. Right, just a regular multi-tester on here. We'll test it. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but we'll have a go. Don't know if you can actually see that. Getting 13.5 volts, but that's just come off the charger, so if I leave it to rest it drops down to about 12.6. Right, so here we are again. I've got the battery. Just test the actual voltage first. That's reading 12.65. Now I've left it to rest for an hour, so that's quite a good reading. Then I've got my digital battery tester. Just connect that on there. This is the test. Battery test, regular flooded. EN is the type of reading I want, 700 amp EN. Just testing that now. Okay, so it's 82% healthy, 98% charge. So reading good battery, 12.65 volts. The internal resistance is 4.32 milliohms, so that's 432 milliohms, I think. So it used to be 56% and now it's at 82%, so quite happy with that. Let's take that off. I've also got one of these, which is basically the old-fashioned drop charge test. I always find these useful because they give you a reading under load. So we're reading with it out the load at just over 12.5 volts. So let's click the switch, count 10 seconds, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, it didn't drop. That's normal, the smoke, because it's heating up the element there like a load. Okay, so it's just risen back up. It's climbed back up to its original reading, just over 12.5 volts. So that's all good. So what I'd recommend is getting a cheap smart battery charger. This will charge it up to 6 amps and has the repair button, which is very useful, so I would recommend one of those. That's the box, incidentally. Made in China, but it does a really good job. Okay, thank you.